Hello everyone, my name is Satya.
Myself ASK.
I'm Gauri Shankar.
Myself Ram Radhakrishnan.
I'm Arun.
I take care of the product management.
I'm doing product management.
Head of marketing.
Senior software developer.
A support lead from Manage Engine.
Yeah, we can call them as a bodyguard.
Optimizes the database.
They are the one who work behind the scene to make sure the data was safe and secure.
A DBA does everything that has to be done with the database.
I would call God first. Anyhow, it won't be available, so I'll go for the DBA.
Maybe operations head.
Obviously the DBA. I would call them the operations team. They handle everything from databases to the rest of the infrastructure.
In our company, it is the operations team.
Around 3 to 6 months or even more than that.
You can replace a person with a similar experience, but to get an actual hang of how things were happening in the company, at least 6 months to 1 year. Yes, I would like to think so.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, we do.
We have most of our databases covered under in-house monitoring tool. So even 30 minutes or 15 minutes of downtime would disrupt the whole amount of trust.
It's more about work hours. So if the database is used within the application. If that goes wrong, we may have to spend a half day or one full day to fix it. If it is a public-facing database, the reputation will be lost.
Zoho, being a leading SaaS vendor, we store our data in our data centers.
In Manage Engine, we are having both on-prem and SaaS versions. So for on-prem version, the databases will be available in the customer location. For the SaaS tools, we are having our own data center. We don't have any separate dedicated team for managing the databases.
To be frank, I have no idea, but in some instance, I worked with Kavita to get some reports.
Sync.
Cease to exist.
Nothing would exist.
The company would run like an archaeology department to dig the past, find out what we missed.
So I would say the AC maintenance,
Operations team that takes care of keeping the lights on.
electricity.
I guess every other work only gets noticed when it gets wrong.
Most of the works in IT sector will be the back end.
System administrators, IT security people.
IT administrators, DBAs.
Honestly, it just happened. I started building few internal tools. Over time, I realized that I am responsible for the data behind them. I will first check whether the data is up to date and the scheduled tasks are executed as expected and the backups are executed without any failures. I don't think I am a traditional DBA. I am the person who loves to play with the data. I enjoy making sure the data is accurate and help people to take better decisions.
Hi, I am Annapurni. I am the module owner of database monitoring in Manage Engine FSO Solutions. When I started, I thought the technical challenges would be the hardest part, but it turned out the real challenge was handling my team. Debugging code is easier than debugging people. Yeah, it's rewarding to know that our work helps customers detect problems before they become serious, even if it is at 2 a.m. We make sure that there is no noticeable overhead to their database from our monitoring tool. I wish the database administrators know how much effort we put into it.
I would give 6.
5 to 6.
3.54 maybe.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, you're doing an awesome work.
Thank you for safeguarding the databases. We appreciate you.